How to fix iPhone preparing media fix. So if your iPhone is stuck on transfer, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application, and then you need to scroll down or go with search, which will be in the bottom. From search, you need to search for photos. Once you've searched for photos, on the top, you will have iCloud Photos. You have to turn this option off. Now, once done, if you're sending your message to someone through Wi-Fi or mobile data, then turn it on or off. Or if there's airplane mode, you need to turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, wait for at least 10 to 30 seconds, then you need to turn it off and then restart your mobile. You need to press your volume up button and then immediately press and release the volume down button. Then immediately after that, press and hold the power button, due to which your mobile power will restart. After that, your problem might be fixed. Then you can also open up your settings and then do a software update check. So if you have any software updates, you need to go and update it. Go with general, go with software update, and update your software if you have any updates. That's it. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.